What if all your financial decisions were connected instead of scattered? You won't believe how USA Money Matrix approaches money management in 2026. USA Money Matrix is a financial organization platform designed to connect accounts, track behavior, and highlight patterns. It's not a bank, but a financial command center that brings everything into one view. After linking your accounts, the platform maps income, spending, debts, and savings into a unified dashboard. The real value comes from pattern analysis. Instead of just showing numbers, it explains what they mean. Most people get this wrong by focusing on balances alone, but behavior tells the real story. One standout feature is its decision impact previews. Before making a large purchase, users can see how it may affect cash flow weeks ahead. This helps prevent short-term decisions from creating long-term stress. USA Money Matrix also includes goal modeling. Users can simulate outcomes like paying off debt faster or increasing savings contributions. The surprising truth is that seeing outcomes visually increases follow-through. However, USA Money Matrix does not move money or offer accounts. Users must take action manually, which requires discipline. In conclusion, USA Money Matrix is still worth it in 2026 for users who want clarity, awareness, and smarter decision-making. If you already have accounts but need better direction, this platform delivers. Subscribe for more reviews that help you take control of your financial future. Title start Pure Wealth Finance Review 2026. Is it still worth it? Title BND script start What if the way you manage money is actually holding you back without you realizing it? Most people get this wrong, but here's why Pure Wealth Finance still sparks debate in 2026. Pure Wealth Finance positions itself as a modern financial platform focused on structured growth and long-term stability. It's designed for people who want clarity, not complexity. When you first join, the setup process walks you through linking your accounts, defining goals, and understanding your current financial picture. This step alone is eye-opening for many users who have never seen everything in one place. The core strength of Pure Wealth lies in its planning tools. Instead of pushing aggressive strategies, it focuses on balance. You can set targets for savings, debt reduction, and future planning, and the platform shows realistic timelines based on your income and habits. The surprising truth about this approach is that it feels slower at first, but users often stick with it longer. Pure Wealth also offers automated guidance. Based on your activity, it suggests small adjustments like increasing savings by a manageable amount or shifting spending timing. These are not alerts meant to scare you, but nudges designed to build discipline. You won't believe how effective subtle changes can be over a year. Security and privacy are taken seriously, with encryption, login alerts, and account monitoring. However, Pure Wealth does not directly hold funds or offer banking products. That means you still rely on external banks to execute changes, which some users may find inconvenient. So, is Pure Wealth Finance still worth it in 2026? If you want a calm, structured way to understand and improve your finances without pressure, the answer is yes. It's best for planners and long-term thinkers. If this review helped you, subscribe for more clear and honest financial platform breakdowns.